So now let us see capillary rise in some unusual situations. So the first unusual situation is our capillaries of insufficient length. So what I mean by insufficient length is, suppose I have a capillary, two capillaries of identical bore. So you see here the capillary rise happens up to this, but now I have taken a similar capillary, but the bore is different. Bore is same, but the height is different. So this is my capillary rise h and my insufficient length is h dash. So what will happen? Will there be a automatic fountain? The answer is no. The capillary will rise with up to here only. What will happen? You see, the meniscus will get modified. So you see, let us come to the formula of the capillary rise. So according to, so consider a capillary in which the capillary rise takes place up to h. Now if we have an identical capillary, but its length is less than h, then the capillary rise will happen up to the top, and the radius of curvature of the meniscus will get modified so that the liquid automatically does not come out. So here you see the capillary rise is h, that is given by 2s cos theta by rho rg, which is generally written as 2s by r rho g. So the formula that hr is actually 2s by rho g. So now this is constant for this case and this case. So we will have hr is equal to h dash rs. So the r dash, the radius of curvature of the meniscus, will become modified according to the new height. So what will happen? Initially the radius of curvature of the meniscus was r. That r was given as r cos theta is equal to r by r. So we know that cos theta is equal to small r by capital R. But when the length is not sufficient, then the meniscus will get modified according to this relation.